First, let me turn on my espresso machine. I will be showing you today my daily routine of making coffee for myself at home. I will be going through the entire process of turning on and flushing everything. I personally like to flush my grinder, minimum of 2 shots of coffee. This is because there is half grounded coffee still in the grinder's chamber from yesterday. The espresso machine I'm using here is Royal Synchro 1 Group Water Tank Edition with 4 boiler liter size. The grinder is Fiorasanto F64 Evo. All Barista tools is Motta. Coffee beans is Essse Cafe. Everything here is from Italy. I will be making 2 Caffe Lattes. I alternate between Caffe Lattes, which is hot latte and iced latte, depending on how hot the current weather is. Did you know that latte means milk in Italy and cafe means coffee? Caffe Latte means coffee with milk. I suffer from frequent migraines in my entire life. This is due to genetics from my family. Good news is, it seems 2 cups of coffee every day helps with my migraine. I'm covering my frother milk because if you don't, sometimes your frother may spray stray coffee grinds into the milk picture. I do enjoy the entire process of making coffee. I personally find it smoothing, relaxing. If you do have frequent migraines or headaches, stress from work, and want to find a way to relax, I would suggest trying Barista-ship or making coffee for yourself. My next 2 cups of Caffe Latte coming right up.
and please subscribe. I like making coffee. Goodbye and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording lah. Boleh dengar you punya suara lah.
Goodbye and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.